told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt.
All right, Porsche GT4, Cayman GT4 in for a maintenance. So you would have seen this on my channel before. Previously, I think this has gotten Gtechniq Crystal Serum Ultra. All the trims coated. It had wheels off service. So the wheels are all coated, the calipers were coated, the wheel wells were coated, the glass got coated, even the interior. The cool thing is the owner of this vehicle, he drives it. So it hasn't been very long, I don't know, 2-3 months since it got delivered here, prepped it, coated it, delivered back to him. He's already put 3,300 miles on it, and he's been at the track twice. So it's dirty. It's half bugs, half tar. Actually, probably 25% bugs, 75% tar. When I say tar, I mean rubber. Sorry, it's rubber from the tires kicking up in front of him. This piece of tire rubber. All the wheels are just caked in it. Look at them all. That's for me. Just hitting with the pressure washer, they just flake off. Now, that may happen a little bit on a normal wheel, but pretty much all of it's doing that on this wheel because it's all coated.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Got a buildup of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you, but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away, as you fade away. tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray. I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away. As you fade away, as you fade away.
Alright, so the car's been fully washed, pulled in. I just dried it, including the wheels, wheel wells, all the nooks and blowed all the nooks and crannies. I normally would have topped it with Gtechniq C2V3 as I'm drying it, but because I'm not sure if I missed any tiny spots of tar or tire, melted tire from the track, I dried the whole thing first. Now I'm going to go around, I'm going to see if there's any spots. I'm going to grab a light, walk around, see if there's any spots that I missed, hit it real quick with tar remover, remove it, and then I'm going to go over the whole thing with C2V3, including the jams, the wheel faces, dress the tires, and then all that's left is the interior. So I'm going to do that quick, and then I'll be back on the interior.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yo, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range, cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief. They'll deceive with the negativity, but I just slide right by that energy. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. but even that could change. You could flip the gray matter like some batter in your brain. That's why I say, fake it till you make it A. And if you play that game, then you just might make a change. Rearrange all the bad to okay. Take the worst thoughts saying, turn them to a game. Take the best thoughts saying, put them on display. On repeat in your brain till you're feeling no more pain. Never slow yourself down, you can do some more. Push past all the pain and you'll find a door. Open it up and finally explore everything that you thought you could never do before. And even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yeah, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range. Cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief. They'll deceive with the negativity, but I just slide right by that energy. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. You got a mind, but even that could change. You could flip the gray matter like some batter in your brain. That's why I say, fake it till you...
All right, that's a wrap. It's a quick video today. Finally, right? My videos have been too long. So, 2022, 21, 22, 20, I don't know, 22. I think it's 2022. GT4, Shark Blue. This was in for new car, crystal serum Ultra, I think it has on it. Glass coating, all the trim got coated, wheels off, wheels got coated. So that happened like 3 months ago. He's been driving the hell out of it. 2 track weekends with it. Came in total mess. Rubber everywhere. And she's back to almost new again. So, looks awesome. You know, the process I used was to use as much water and chemicals as possible to clean it first before I touched it at all. And then finally I removed whatever tar was left at that point. I then used my adhesive and tar remover to remove a little bit of tar that was left. Topped it all with C2D3 just to give it a boost. Wheel faces as well, dressed the wheels. Just detailed, you know, you saw a little bit of it, detailed the inside, vacuumed. Used some Alcantara cleaner to clean Alcantara up a little bit on the seats. It seemed that, you know, I think he's been driving a lot, so it's just been got a little matted down. So clean that up and clean the window. So she's ready to go. Thanks for watching. Enjoy the after footage and subscribe if you haven't already. Like the video if you liked it, and appreciate it. See you next time.